What's going on, everyone? It's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we have a new product that just came in, and it is the Evolution brand D5 enclosure. So we're gonna show you this versus the Doorworks model. So here we go. All right, so here we have the Evolution brand D5 enclosure installed on a Ranger 4. And this one does come with the front window seal there, and you can see there's no snaps on this one. It just wraps around your windshield here, and then it has these elastic hooks that pull out and strap along the bottom there. There's 3 of those elastic hooks, and then this is the back, so it doesn't really cover the safety bar, but all in all, it's a pretty nice enclosure. I'll show you the other side over here where it's rolled up. So this is with it rolled up, and then these just roll up, and it has a strap that comes around and snaps in right there for you. Material wise, obviously this is not Sunbrella material. It's not, as thick as the Doorworks material, but all in all, I mean, it's pretty nice fabric. So pretty easy install. You just mount these aluminum tracks up in the roof here, and there's already screw holes for it, and I can show you on another golf cart where you can see that they're already installed on there. So these are gonna be the holes that the tracks go in right there. So it already has them ready to go. You just put the tracks up there and screw them in with the screws that they provide. All right, here's a golf cart with the tracks already installed. So you can see the rear one is up there, and then the sides right there. And then there's actually a track that goes in the front as well. Like I said, these mount up pretty easy. You don't have to unscrew anything. You just add these screws in, and the holes are already there for them. All right, so cost-wise, obviously these are going to be a little bit cheaper because they're not the Sunbrella material. Looks like maybe like a 600D type material. But we got a bunch of these on order, and as soon as we get them in, we'll get them up on the website. Thanks for watching.